Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. I'm very excited about today's cook because of all the videos that I've ever posted on YouTube. The most popular as of right now has been a video where I made smoked chicken wings. And I love chicken wings, but I also love just regular wings that aren't smoked. So today we're gonna combine the best of both worlds and we're gonna make smo-fried wings. That's right, we're gonna smoke them, then at the end we're gonna deep fry them for some absolutely incredible wings. So this is going to be absolutely incredible. I can't wait for you to see it, and I can't wait for me to eat it. So let's get started. All right, here we have some whole chicken wings. Now, these beautiful wings came from Strip District Meats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. You hear me talk about them all the time here on the channel. The absolute best butcher shop around. And if you go to stripdistrictmeats.com, you can order anything off their website and they'll ship it to you nationwide. Now there's two things I'm gonna do to these wings today. First, I'm gonna dry them, and second, I'm gonna season them. Now to dry these wings, I'm just gonna use a paper towel, and it is a bit tedious, but it's definitely a step you're gonna want, especially if you want those wings to be crispy. Now they're gonna be crispy after coming out of the oil anyway, but always removing excess moisture from whole wings is gonna be a really good idea. So this isn't the most exciting thing to watch, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. Just know that you really just wanna get these nice and dry, and then I'm placing them on a wire rack on top of a cookie sheet. All right, and here are our nice dried out wings. They are still sticky from that skin, and that's what we want because that's going to allow our seasoning to adhere, which is today the Pit Boss Sweet Heat Rub. I love sweet heat. It is good on just about everything, and it's going to be delicious on these smo-fried wings. Now I have not separated these wings into sections. They're still whole, and that's because I really like to do that after they're done because it's so much easier in my opinion. So for now I'm going to come over these with that sweet heat. This seasoning combined with the smoke from the pellets that we're using today, oh man, it's going to be so good. All right, let's flip these guys over. And let's get this other side here. All right, there we go. Wings are nice and seasoned. All right, so now that is all that we're gonna do right now to these wings, and it's time to get them on the smoker. Okay, so today I'm smoking these wings on my Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart, which you see right here. We're gonna be smoking at a temperature today of 250 degrees Fahrenheit for as long as it takes for the internal temp on this chicken to reach 165 degrees. Now when we put them in the deep fryer, it is gonna raise that internal temp. You don't have to really worry about that on chicken wings because you know you can go as much as like 20 or even 30 degrees higher than that and still have really good, crispy, delicious wings. Smoking today using the Pit Boss Apple Blend pellets. I love Apple Blend on chicken. It is so good, and it pairs really nicely with this incredible rub, that sweet heat that we used. So nothing left to do but get these on the smoker. All right, pretty simple. Right in there. You can put them directly on the grates. I like this method because it's so much easier to transport them, and it just keeps the grill a little bit cleaner. So there we go. We're gonna leave them there, and I'll be back to show you what we do next, which is basically, spoiler alert, deep fry them once they hit 165 degrees. All right, we've been going about an hour. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that color, nice. Let's go ahead and get our internal temp. Let's go 138, 140 in that guy. Again, 137, 138. Yeah, these are like right around that 131, 130, 144. Yeah, these are right all in the same range here. Now remember, I'm going for that internal temp of 165. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip these guys over. All right. About another 10 or 15 minutes and we'll be at 165, and I'll meet you back over at the deep fryer. All right, look at these wings, beautiful. These wings internally are at 165 degrees Fahrenheit right now, which is exactly where I want them. My oil, I'm using peanut oil today, and it's at 350 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and deep fry these wings. And in. Now you'll notice I didn't have all the wings in there, obviously because they wouldn't all fit, and you really don't want to overcrowd when you're deep frying. All right, we are at the 1 minute mark. All right, it's been 2 minutes, let's take a look. Oh man, look at the color on those. Woo! Let them sit here for a sec. Let them drip. And onto my pan. So look at the difference. Fried, just smoked. Look at that color difference. All right, in with the next round. Two minutes. Oh, gosh, does that color look good. And last but not least, our final 4. And there you have it. Wow, look at those incredible wings. Gosh, the color, the smell. Gosh, that is gonna be so good. I cannot wait to try these. All right, friends, you know what time it is. It's time to dig into these incredible wings. Cannot wait. Very, very crispy wings. Now with the wing already being cooked, I can actually just break it apart with my hands. So I'll just kind of tear down the middle there and then just twist like that. Super hot, but here we go. Smo-fried wings. Oh my gosh. Oh, so crispy, so juicy. Oh, the flavor is so good. So good. Let's get this flat here. Oh, woo. Listen, I wish I had adequate words to describe to you the crispiness, the flavor. Oh, you can taste the smoke 100%. That rub is next level on these wings. Listen, you gotta try this. Grab yourself a deep fryer. They're not even very expensive anymore. You can grab one on Amazon or wherever. Grab a deep fryer, get your smoker, smoke these wings until they hit 165. Toss them in some deep fried cooking oil for about 2 minutes, and you're gonna end up with the most delicious wings you've ever had. Now we did kind of a dry wing here, but you could absolutely use some buffalo sauce or some homemade like garlic parm sauce or whatever you want to use, but I love them just like this. Well, hey, thank you once again for tuning in to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, and if you like this video, make sure that you click that like button, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Make sure you click the little bell to turn on the post notifications. That way you know exactly when we post new, delicious outdoor cooking content. And if you think these wings are good, you gotta check out one of these other 2 videos of some wings that I've made here, outdoors on the smoker. Absolutely delicious. And I'll see you next time.